Have you ever taken medicine that saved your health? Or eaten a slice of bread that made you smile? What if I told you the same invisible force is behind both? An organism so small you can't even see it with your eyes. A silent partner we've worked with for thousands of years. It floats all around us right now, in this very room. It lands on our food and transforms it. It is one of the most important organisms in human history. And yet, most of us never even think about it. Today, we are going to discover what it is. Our story starts not in a lab, but in the modern world. Scientists now use an incredible tiny factory to make medicines. This factory produces life-saving drugs like human insulin. It helps create new vaccines to protect us from disease. It even helps us make renewable fuels for a cleaner future. This powerhouse is a pillar of modern biotechnology. But to understand it, we have to go back in time. Over 5,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, a happy accident occurred. Something invisible landed in a jar of grain and water. The mixture began to bubble and change as if by magic. Someone brave baked it, and the world's first risen bread was born. For thousands of years, no one knew what caused this magic. Bakers simply knew that saving a piece of old dough made new dough rise. They called it a starter, and it was a closely guarded secret. It wasn't magic, it was biology, and the man who proved it was Louis Pasteur. In the 1860s, Pasteur conducted brilliant experiments. He discovered that living, breathing microbes were the invisible chefs. This revolutionary idea changed science forever. It gave us the germ theory of disease, and it founded the new field of microbiology. So, what are these invisible chefs? What is this tiny factory? The answer is a single-celled fungus. Its name is yeast. Yeast works through a superpower called fermentation. It feasts on simple sugars, and it releases two powerful byproducts. The first is carbon dioxide gas. That gas is the magic behind your bread. Millions of tiny bubbles form, and the dough rises. The result is soft, light, and airy bread. Without it, bread would be flat, dense, and hard. The second byproduct is ethanol alcohol. This contributes to the bread's complex aroma and flavor. But the distinctive tangy taste of sourdough comes from a different source. It's created by lactic acid bacteria, which work alongside the yeast in the starter. These bacteria produce acids that give sourdough its characteristic sour flavor. Today, we harness this powerful partnership in two main ways. We can use wild yeast and bacteria, captured from the air around us. Or we use commercial yeast, perfected by scientists for reliability. So from creating modern medicine to an ancient accident that gave us bread, yeast has always been our invisible partner. It proves that the smallest things can have the biggest impact. The next time you enjoy a fresh slice of pizza, thank this tiny fungus. And the next time you take important medicine, thank it once again. It is the humble, microscopic engine powering our world. If this story of discovery fascinated you, please let us know by liking this video. And subscribe for more content that explores the hidden world around us. Thank you for watching.